What legal issues should trainers and clubs be aware of?
Well, that's a really interesting question. The very first chapter that I wrote for this book was on the legal issues relating to working with GLP-1 patients. And I say that because in the early 2000s at New York Sports Club, there was a person who was hypertensive and they were on some sort of hypertensive medication. And their trainer actually uh, gave them some sort of protein supplement that had ephedra in it. And the person took it, they got sick that night, and they died. So who did they sue? They sued the health club. So New York Sports Club settled out of court for around $3 or $4 million, and it was really a black eye for the industry. And the reason I talk about the legal issues is because I want to avoid any type of legal mindset that may come up from training these people. And that's very pervasive in the intensity of the exercise prescription, how many days a week should a person train, how much water and electrolytes should they be consuming, percentage of protein. All of those things have a legal ramification because trainers now are going to assume a little bit more responsibility for the care of these people while they're in health clubs, and we hope it's for a very long time. So in order to understand that responsibility, they have to have at least a foundational knowledge of the legal consequences of working with these patients. I think it's just tremendously important. That's why that was the first chapter in my book.
Where can I learn more about legal issues potentially surrounding GLP-1 programs?
Log on to medhealthfit.com and click on to the GLP-1 page.